Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming oil level, filter condition, and ventilation. These affect seal life and safety. Once done, check inlet gas pressure against the compressor's rated range so you don't starve or overload it. Make sure isolation valves are in place and the condensate drain is open to avoid liquid slugging. Energize control power, select soft start, and run at low load while watching gauges so you can catch abnormal vibration or temp rise early. You now increase load stepwise to meet system demand while carefully watching discharge temperature and vibration. These parameters tell you if internal clearances or lubrication are off. Once the unit reaches mid-load, adjust speed or inlet guide vanes to regulate capacity and efficiency because aggressive throttling wastes power. Keep a log of pressure, flow, temperature, and vibration every 5 to 10 minutes so trends reveal problems. If readings drift, slow the ramp and recheck lubrication and suction conditions before proceeding. You complete the cycle by performing a controlled unload, following manufacturer cooldown steps to protect bearings and seals. Rapid shutdown invites damage. Once cooled, close isolation valves, drain moisture traps, and inspect oil, filters, and dynamic seals for contamination or where so maintenance can be scheduled. If you encounter persistent high discharge temperature, abnormal vibration, or visible leaks, isolate the unit and run targeted diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.